Rogers Motor Cars here. Today we're highlighting this 2020 Kia Sorento LX with the Freedom Motors wheelchair conversion. Great little Kia here, still under full factory warranty, still under the Freedom Motors warranty for the conversion. Very nice and clean, no scratches or dents, non-smoker. We have 3 keys and books. We have the literature on the conversion as well. This truck has blind spot monitor, rear camera. It's got Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, seats 4 plus a wheelchair. Good tires, good on fuel mileage. The back is easy to open, it's manual, it's spring loaded. Just pop that open, grab your handle here. That's it. 2 tie downs in the back, 2 tie downs in the front, and we've got all your straps and spare tire and everything there. Got 2 captain's chairs back there. Just simply raise it up. Good to go. Take a look back here at the captain seating, plenty of room for extra passengers back there. Real nice interior here. Power mirrors, power locks, blind spot there. Got 13,544 miles. Nice big screen, home link. I'm a niche market for these, but we are well below competitors on this. Got it on consignment, helping somebody out. I saw one that was a year older with double the miles listed at Freedom Motors, and they wanted over $60,000, and we are more than $10,000 below that. Give us a call, text, email. We do respond quickly, and can't wait to hear from you on this one.